Good morning, friends. I am ready to continue talking about being an avid reader with you today. I hope you're ready to be an avid reader. But before we get back to our reading, I want to talk to you about some things that we've learned in the past about what a super reader does, just so you don't forget now that we are avid readers. So let's look over here on my other screen. I'm going to point over here. It says we are super readers. And as you're reading in your book and you're showing your parents or grandparents how to be an avid reader, we can't forget about our super reading powers either. So let's quickly go back and review those. And then today, when you're sitting and reading, or they're reading to you, then you can remember these powers to use as well. So let's look at the first one. It says, we use pointer power when we're reading. Now, pointer power means that you're pointing to the words and reading along with it. That's a good thing that a super reader does, so they don't lose their spot when they're reading. Something else that a good super reader does is they have reread power. If they've read the story once, that's okay. They can go back and reread it again. They might learn something new. Or if you come to a word you don't know and you stop, maybe you can go back to the beginning of the sentence, reread it, and see if you can figure out what that word is. Something else a super reader does is they have partner power. We've talked a lot about how reading can also be with a partner, and good partner power reading means that you have the book in the middle, you're sitting side by side, you're taking turns reading. Something else that a really good reader does, super reader, is they have picture power. They look at the picture before they start reading, and if they get stuck on a word, they look at the picture to help them. The picture most always has a really good clue of what that word is. Up here at the top, it says snap word power. Don't forget to look for those snap words that we've been learning about in your story. Go on a hunt for them, see if you can find them. Sound power. So when we don't know what a word is, we can sound our way through. We can think about what sound each letter in that word is making, and then we can blend them together. Like if the word was sat, we could say at. Put it together, sat. Persistent power. Don't give up. If you get stuck on a word or get stuck on a page, don't give up. Keep trying. And book talk power. Talk about the book. Remember, we've talked about how you can talk to someone about what's happening in the book, what you think is going to happen next. Talk to your partner about those things. And pattern power. Remember, in a lot of books that you're reading on your level, there's a lot of books that have patterns in them. Look for them. They repeat a lot of the same words. But be careful. Sometimes those patterns can change. So I just wanted to quickly review all of those things we've learned about a super reader so that you can also be a super reader and an avid reader at the same time. So today, what I want you guys to do during your reading time, remember, good reading time is between 15 and 20 minutes. I want you to think about this list of things that super readers do and see which one you're really good at. Maybe talk to mom and dad. Well, I'm really good at pointer power, but I need to get better at finding my snap words in the story. Or maybe I'm really good at using the picture, but I need to work on sounding my way through words that I don't know. So that's your job today. I want you to go through that list, find ones that you're really good at, and then find ones you need to work on. And let your teacher know what you need to work on and what you think you're really good at. And that, my friends, will help you continue to be an avid reader. Have fun reading today, guys. I can't wait to see what you tell your teachers. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, my friends.